You're watching EDS TV.
The white car driver claimed that she was rear-ended. She was charged for driving on a suspended license for DUI, drug possession, and reckless endangerment months ago. Both white car and truck were uninsured. The classic "I'll cut someone off to save a few seconds and then proceed to slam the brake and park on the highway, wasting more time than I was going to save" strategy. Not only did she not check her blind spot, it looks like she was about to jump lanes of traffic as well. This is why I just turn off my ego when I'm driving. You zoom past me? Big whoop. You feel like driving faster than me? Cut me off? Whatever. You're a reckless idiot and I want to stay away from you. They're saying it's 80% the white truck's fault, or 80% the dark sedan's fault. I'd argue this accident was mostly, or entirely, the truck's fault. Was the camera in the wrong? No. Would I have lifted off to not have any of my vehicle level with the person who probably wants to merge so that sort of conflict isn't going to happen? Yup. Certainly he could see the car coming, right? He just forgets it's a 55-mile-per-hour road or something. There should really be a sign. A double solid yellow line on a curve could also help. This is why staying alert behind the wheel is imperative. The camera was able to dodge harm's way by veering out of the way, preventing an accident. The first truck had a brush guard. The second truck is a 700 horsepower Ram. The kid definitely got rammed. He should have dodged.
You stupid mother!
The driver had the absolute audacity to flip the camera off as he drove by. It was pretty flagrant. I would have been upset too. The SUV seems to have been startled by cars on the shoulder and spins out onto adjacent freeway lanes. While yes, the camera was able to avoid the accident, he still smacked into the curb at nearly 40 miles per hour. He needed to do one of two things: hit the brakes or quickly change lanes. My man went for both and was at fault. It took me a while to see the collision. I thought it was the car in the center that had been rolling on too quickly and now had a soapy car at the end of the car wash. The truck driver was being obnoxious and decided to roll coal. In doing so, he sped up immensely, resulting in him falling into a speed trap and getting some instant karma. The white car on the right overtakes on the right and then turns left on the red light. This highway is weird if you ask me. Slow traffic on the left. The trailer on the left-hand side had people passing on the right. The furthest right-hand lane seems to they didn't stay in their lane while making the left turn at the beginning, then getting the birdie. Fire trucks should have had free passage to shove vehicles out of the way with all damage to any property being covered by insurance of the idiot blocking the way.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.